Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Honda Civic here on a 2009 plate. Just doing a tire pressure reset. But before I do that, and if you want to know where the tire pressure is written for your car, I'll show you exactly where it is. It's on the driver's side door pillar. It's a right hand drive, but if you've got a left hand drive, it'll be on the left hand side door pillar as well. I'll show you where it is now. Okay, that's where it is. If you wanted to know what tire pressure it is, so you've got the sizes there. Just confirm you've got the same ones on, and then these are the pressures. Now to reset it, it's simple. Let's get in the car. All you gotta do first is start the car up. So this has got the start stop, switch the ignition on, start the car up. Now you go play with these buttons right here. So if I press the information button right here, that's it. So I'm on that screen now. All I now do is press and hold this button. Now you can see I've got the information and the menu right here, and that's the pressure we need to get rid of. So what I do, I press the info button again. Now go on to the tire pressure thing, so I press and select. So once I've selected that, now you can see it says initialize. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press that button again. So if I zoom out, so sorry, if I click on it again and then press the information button, so I'll go down to OK and I'll press select. Now you can see the pressure light is gone. I then press the exclamation mark again, and then switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on, start the car up, so the light's no longer there. But that's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, come on us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Honda. Do check that out as well. There's a playlist for pressure resets as well, like headlight bulbs, especially on this particular model. We have done few. Do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.